going on, guys? So I got a pile of sugar maple and walnut here. I've already worked some of it down. When I got there, I wanted to film, but the housekeeper came out and she was scoping me out. We started talking, we were cool, all friendly and everything, but yeah, I did want to pull out the camera, you know. So some of this is going to be smoker wood, and I might cut up some of this mulberry too and put it away in that crate with the apple smoker wood. Just cut it into coins and then throw it in there on top. I usually don't mix the crates, or I put a divider in there, but I'm trying to save this for maybe putting some sugar maple coins in. I've got the mulberry filled up. I just started the beach. I did a couple runs of the sugar maple in here, and I'm gonna try and get a bunch more in there. And then there's more sugar maple filled up, and there's the apple that's split as opposed to the apple that's back behind us. And this cherry is going to be dry. It's already semi-dry and it's been sitting here for a little bit, so that's going to dry quickly. This is not black cherry, this is wild cherry, so this is not as dense, but it's almost virtually the same except for the density and the bark, but the smell is the same. So I might end up peeling through some of this stuff here and making smoker wood. There's more sugar maple and beech, just some of the odd shaped ones I'm going to turn into coins. And then what else is there? Oh, there's a bunch of the elm still that I have to cut up. Is there even back here? Yeah, I see one piece there. I'm noodling it into firewood because it's too hard to split. There's a couple there. There's one there. So let's fire up the saw. didn't do too much firewood today. Just this one wheelbarrow, and then I split some pine first. And the crate over there is filled. I got 3 crates of pine filled now. And I want to get one more. Pine and spruce, I should say. And that's for my outdoor customers. I'm going to throw the mulberry that I cut up into the crate over there. And then I took a couple of the big ones and I split those down. So I'll throw those in that crate with the apple as well. And I missed one piece of walnut right there to cut. And no beast and maid action today, but I got lots of wood for that. This one's gonna go over there for the beast and maid. And I think there's maybe one more, maybe this one here. Yeah, that can go in. So I'm gonna come in maybe Saturday afternoon. I'll see how much time I have left in the day, because I got to do stuff in the morning and the first half of the afternoon, so I can get into the sugar maple here, cut that up, and get into some of these rounds here. Then Sunday I'll be here too. Sunday I'm gonna make a nice big breakfast, and I'm gonna come in after that. I'll start whittling down this pile. I'll cut up a little bit more of the mulberry and put it away. There's gonna be a bunch of this mulberry that I'm gonna turn into 12-inch as well. Yeah, looking forward to getting that stuff out of the way, and then I can finally start tackling all this honey locust in here. There's a lot of big rounds here. Gotta start breaking that down. I could use a bunch of honey locusts in some of the crates. I guess that's it for now. So I'll see you guys next time. Like, subscribe, share, comment, and all that good stuff.